Welcome to the Fix Your Apps channel. Today we're diving into the essential guide of the 5 best apps caller ID on Android to help you identify unknown calls and block pesky spammers. Stick around to find your next must-have app. Now, let's get started. At number 5 on our list is Hiya Spam Blocker and Caller ID. This app, with a solid 4.0 rating across 261,000 reviews, is a comprehensive solution designed to shield you from spam and revolutionize your call experience, moving beyond just a call blocker. Here are 3 standout features that make Hiya a great choice. Know who's calling. The advanced caller ID feature uses AI to precisely identify various call types, from business to personal. Block scam and spam calls. Hiya provides an instant shield, giving you real-time alerts and helping block unsolicited calls. Read your voicemail with a glance. Its secure visual voicemail transcribes messages into text, sparing you from having to listen to them. After installing Hiya, the app presents a clean and intuitive layout. On the main screen, you'll see the calls option where you can review your call history, seeing who called and whether it was identified. Clicking the blocking option lets you manage your blocked numbers and set up your spam protection preferences. Next is the keypad option, which brings up a dialer, allowing you to make secure informed calls with proactive protection. Down near the bottom right, you'll find the settings option where you can customize everything from your caller ID style to your visual voicemail language. If you're looking for extra protection and features, the upgrade button provides details on Hiya's premium offerings. The design is visually clean with color-coded screens to instantly recognize the type of call you are managing. At number 4 on our list, we have Eyecon, Caller ID and Spam Block, an app designed to transform your calling experience. With a solid 4.5 rating from over 1 million reviews, Eyecon positions itself as the number 1 app for true caller identification, showing photos and names of unknown callers and contacts instantly. Here are 3 standout features. Full screen caller ID. See your caller's photos in a visually engaging full screen view. Visual contact gallery. Transform your address book into a beautiful visual display of all your contacts. Block spam calls and SMS. Avoid unwanted calls and messages with powerful identification and blocking tools. After installation, the app opens to a clean layout. We first land on the home menu, which is your central hub for calls and communication. Clicking the SMS option takes us to your messaging inbox, neatly organized within the app. Next, the keypad option brings up the standard phone dialer for initiating new calls. Tapping the ID option allows you to perform an easy reverse lookup, diving deeper into a contact's digital persona or an unknown number. Finally, the spam option is where you can manage your block list and review all the unwanted calls and messages the app has successfully filtered out. The overall design is intuitive, making communication seamless and visually engaging. At number 3 on our list, we have Call App, Caller ID and Block. With an impressive 4.3 star rating and 1 million reviews, Call App is your all-in-one solution for caller identification, number blocking, and managing your messages. It functions as a powerful phone number lookup and default SMS application, ensuring you always know who's calling and texting. Here are 3 standout features. Know who's calling. Advanced caller ID technology identifies over 7 billion unknown numbers. Feel protected, block spam calls. A robust spam detector stops robocalls, blocks numbers, and filters out scam calls. WhatsApp caller ID identify calls from all apps. It even identifies calls and messages from applications like WhatsApp. Now let's take a quick walk through the app's clean user interface. Starting on the home menu, you see your recent calls and messages, providing a central place for communication management. Tapping the spam option quickly takes you to the block list and spam settings, where you can manage your protection filters. The store option offers various themes and features to personalize your call app experience. Selecting the SMS option opens your texting interface, which automatically organizes and blocks spam text messages. Finally, clicking the profile icon at the top left allows you to access your personal settings and pro features. Collab's design is clear and easy to navigate, making powerful call and message control accessible to everyone. At number 2 on our list is Truecaller phone call blocker. This powerful communication app boasts an impressive 4.6 star rating from over 26 million reviews. Its main purpose is to be your all-in-one solution for caller ID, call screening, and blocking spam or scam calls. Truecaller comes with several standout features. Identify calls with Truecaller. This automatically shows you who is calling even if the number isn't saved in your contacts. Block spammers and scammers. It records, identifies, and blocks unwanted calls, protecting you from phone fraudsters and telemarketers. Choose your level of protection. You can block calls from specific countries, number sequences, or numbers with no caller ID. Now let's take a quick look at the app's clean, modern interface as we click through some key elements. Right after installation, you'll see the main dashboard with the calls option where you can view your call history. Switching over to the messages option brings up your smart SMS inbox, which automatically blocks spam texts. Tapping the blocking option lets you manage your spam settings and block list. At the top, a prominent search bar allows you to perform a reverse lookup on any unknown number. Finally, the profile icon in the corner is where you can access all your settings and premium features. Truecaller makes it simple to stay protected. At number 1 on our list is the Phone by Google app. This is Google's official phone calling app, now available to download for the first time. It's designed to help you easily connect with family and friends, block spam, and know who's calling before you answer, all within a simple, intuitive design. The app holds a solid 4.5 star rating based on 42 million reviews. Here are 3 standout features. Powerful spam protection. See warnings about suspicious callers to help you avoid unwanted calls. Know who's calling you. Google's extensive caller ID lets you know the business that's calling so you can answer with confidence. Screen unknown calls. Call screen can answer unknown callers, filter out detected spammers, and help you learn more before you pick up. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface. Opening the app first lands us on the home menu showing your recent calls and contacts. Tapping the keypad option brings up the standard dialer for making a new call. Look at the top and you'll see the microphone icon, which can be used to make voice activated searches or calls. Below that is a dedicated search bar for quickly finding contacts or places. Finally, clicking the 3 lines icon gives you access to settings and other call options. This app provides a smart, simple, and intuitive way to manage your phone calls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.